Hey guys, hey rock stars. It's Chris with Chris Loves Crochet, and it's a yarn haul, y'all. What? I ordered some yarn. So it's a Bangkok yarn haul, y'all. I got some more blanket yarn and some yarn for dyeing. I'm dying to dye some yarn. And so I want to show you what I got. So first, I got, so it comes to me in these bags, and when I come in and these packages come, when I get dropped off by the motorcycle taxi, the guard, he's always looking at me going, package, package. Okay, I know, packages. This crazy American woman with all the packages. They make me happy. So I'm opening. I opened partially so I could see what's in it. It's heavy. So this is how it comes, this blanket yarn. Oh, I don't have my scale over here. I think some of the websites say that it's 100-gram balls, but the last one I weighed, I think, was 87 grams. Whatever. It's a blanket yarn. It's like number 6. Sorry, hold on. Should have done more opening. Sorry. Really take this one in. Oh. Okay. So what I got was 2 of the red and 2 of this like deeper like burgundy red, because it changes the color, doesn't it? Because one of my teacher friends, with my little plushies, little stuffies I've been making, on the last day of school, he was one that I went down to the bar, to the Red Onion, to the British bar down in the village, and sat and drank Diet Coke with them. And they weren't drinking Diet Coke, I'll tell you what. But anyway, my friend Bernie, well, I shouldn't tell you his last name. Anyway, it's kind of Scottish, I think. He's British. He's from the UK, somewhere in the UK. Like I said before, I can't tell where anybody's from. Anyway, he wanted to know if it'd be possible, if it would just be possible, please, oh please, oh please, if I would make for him a dragon. I think he said, Scottish dragon, is that a thing? Anyway, while we were sitting there in the bar, I looked it up, and it's a very ornate, I'm not going to make the ornate dragon out of this, tell you. But it's a very ornate, I think it's Scottish, like dragon with all the pointy scales and the tail and the wings, a dragon. But it's red. So I thought, okay, I'll get some different reds. I found a cute pattern, and I showed him. He's like, oh yeah, that'd be cute. It's a cute little baby dragon. And so I'm going to use a couple of different reds and some black, I think, to make a dragon for him. So I went out and I ordered this, and I saw that it was on sale. Yeah. I think it was just 40 baht, 33 to 35 baht per dollar. So a little over $1 a ball. So I thought, well, Christmas is coming up. I need to make maybe a few Christmas trees. I don't know. And other things. So I needed more fluffy blanket yarn. So it is wound like this. So I just pull it off from the outside, obviously. And it unwinds very nicely. So this is just another bag. This is the bag that I got. It was one of those that made the guard go, package. The guard. He's a very nice young man, and his name is Thong. No, it's not. That was at my previous place, the guard. This guy's name is Prem. So I got a bunch of these. So anyway, what did I get? Let's see if I can get some semblance of order. So I got some white. I got 4 white. And then I was thinking maybe some more bees. So I got some of the bee gold yellow. And Wait, didn't I get some black? I have some black left over. I got some greens for some froggies, maybe. I got some more red. It's not, I don't think it's as bright of a red as the other one. This is for Christmas. Oh, and another red. And some more pink, so I have 3 pinks. This is what this one's open, I'll show you. This is a really nice blanket yarn. It's, you know, just a single, of course, single ply they call it, a 1 ply. But the ends are really nice. I don't know if you can see kind of where it all comes together. The ends are nice. It frogs really easily. I think a lot of these do, but it doesn't shed like at all. It's a really nice. It's really nice to work with. Oh, here's another orange. I guess I better make some more bumblebees. Oh, I was also thinking the other 2 reception, the nursery or reception 1, which is the youngest, the nursery class of like 3-year-olds. There are 2 classes. One is a firefly, one is a caterpillar. So I was thinking caterpillar colors. Not a real caterpillar, obviously, but you know, with the, so that it can have all the little balls of all the colors, be the caterpillar, and then firefly. I'll add some colors to it, but I needed some gray for a firefly. It's also kind of silver, you know, for Christmas. And more white and another green. So froggy green and also Christmas green. So I got some Christmas, yes, and then I also got, let's see, did I not get a blue? Oh, I have blue. Caterpillar, probably not that dark green. Purple's back here. Caterpillar colors. Crazy caterpillar colors. Oh, I'm so excited. I want to do that. But there's not enough hours in the day. It's not enough hours in the day or strength in my thumbs. I didn't work with any blanket yarn this whole time I've been off. I was waiting for all this to come in and giving myself a break. But I did so much crocheting on my vacation, and I just kept powering through. Sometimes I put my braces on, sometimes I didn't, and I'm feeling it. I was wearing my braces all day today and not crocheting, just giving my hands a break. I didn't crochet yesterday either, so it's about halfway through the day so far today, and I'm itching to crochet, but I'm trying to wait until at least later on in the day, so I have like a good 36 hours of no crocheting. Okay, so remember when they sent me the wrong dye. This is for cotton and silk and right, all natural, wait, wood fiber. Is that what it was called? Anyway, probably not silk, but anyway, cotton. It's for cotton. I did order the jacquard acid dye. I went back and I looked. It looks completely different from this, the packaging. And I bought it though off of Amazon. And so in order to get them to send me the right thing, I have to return this. And yeah, I can return it. Oh my gosh, such a pain in the buttocks. So I'm not even sure if the price is similar. I don't know. Wow. I just noticed it even says jacquard acid dye starter set on the label. Well, no wonder they sent me the wrong thing. Because this is not acid dye. It's not the picture that shows anyway. And I went already through this. But anyway, it says on here for cotton. So I got some cotton. There was a little store here in Bangkok. It's called the Indigo Dye store. And they had some 100% pure homespun cotton. I have no idea what the weight is. It looks like a 1 or a 2. Looks a little roving. And sold it by the kilo, by the kilogram. I don't know. Now I don't trust myself. kg, kilogram. So it's like 2 pounds, right? Because I paid. I paid $4.99, 499 baht. So that's about $15. Well, all told, it's probably close to $20 for this. Oh my gosh. This is going to be so much fun. But it is really like straight out of the crafter studio kind of yarn. Yeah, it's roving. I don't know the different names for all of these things. I probably should do a little bit of research, but it's roving. It does change from thick to thin. It's not worsted. I'm not talking worsted weight. I'm talking worsted processing. And yeah, ooh, wow. I'm pretty sure he did this in his shop. I mean, this is like thinner. This is like thread to lace. Oh, this will be fun. Ooh. So there's 4 of these is 1 kilogram. So if this was $20, that's $10. This was $5. And by the looks of it, it looks like more than 1,000 yards. I won't have to buy any cotton if this is workable, if it's usable. Then I'll have fun with this. Yes. Mama G, I'm going to do some rainbow dyeing, some dip dyeing. I'm so excited. I need another vacation so that I could spend, because I know once I start that, it's all over for me. I know me. So that's my other yarn. Also got while I was away. I thought that this was going to be a bag bottom. I thought on the picture it looked more leather, but it's not. This was $1. It's a pressed wood, so it's more of a basket bottom. I'm sure I could make it. I could make it a bag bottom. I mean, there's nothing. Oh, and I got some other yarn right before I left. That's kind of a material like a ribbon. That would be really good for this. So remember when I showed you these that I just got right before I went on vacation? And this yarn is like a chain spun yarn, chained yarn, braided chain, something. And it's the yellow, red, orange, and purple. This red is exactly the same, but they just didn't ball it up. They left it on the spool. That's fine. And I did work up a little swatch of it, and it's pretty rough. I would not, it wouldn't drape right to wear. It's not, it's not offensive. It feels cottony nylon, but not the soft nylon. You know what I mean? But this would make that would make a really good bag. And so this could be the bottom of the bag with this. I could make a really nice one that would really stand up. Go on to Crystal's Bag a Day and find something to use those colors with. You know what would be really fun? She wouldn't like it. Crystal wouldn't like it because she's very much a classic. She's a classy lady. She is a classic when it comes to houndstooth. But that black and white, I saw your video. Like she's watching me. But Crystal, if you're watching, I saw your video with your big old red heart jumbo ball of white, jumbo ball of black, and the furry red. I know where you're going. I know where you're going, and I am so with you on that. Love it. I made a bag from way back when. It was black and white with the red ruffle around it that was in the houndstooth. Still one of my favorites. Anyway, so I think I can use this yarn and use that stitch. It won't be the classic, but use that stitch with all or some of these and create a houndstooth bag with that bottom. Plan. That's a plan. I don't know when. I need to get me a list. I need a list of things to do. Let's see. Oh, and I also got, this was kind of a fail, but whatever. I can't tell when I'm looking on the websites at pictures how big needles are. That's a little tiny needle. It's a little sewing needle. But I got caught up in the needles. I was looking for some embroidery needles, you know, for the yarn. And I couldn't tell. And I just got in and then stopped looking at the sizes and saw that this was one of those easy thread. Can you see that? No. It has a little notch on the side where you just kind of pull the thread in. And I was thinking, oh, that would be so cool for yarn. And it also comes with this. Looks like a little cigar, a little lipstick case, a little twisty deal to put your needles in. I haven't tried it yet for the needles that I do have, the yarn needles that I have. So maybe I can still use this. It was just a couple bucks, so I'm not worried about it. I can't do anything with that because I don't sew. And if I do, I would never use a needle that small. Of course, now I could. So that was my haul. That was my yarn haul, y'all. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to have so much fun making the dragon, making Christmas stuff, making dyeing yarn, making that bag. Stay tuned. Stay tuned into this Bat channel if you want to see some of that coming to fruition. I'd like to too. I'm going to tune in too and see what happens. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for coming. Love you guys. Bye.